Hello everybody, here is video where I will learn you how to speak Russian language, and it's the first lesson, so we should learn the alphabet. In Russian language, alphabet is called alphabet. We have 33 letters in our alphabet, and we have vowels. Okay, alphabet. And now I would like to pronounce all the letters. A, B, V, you can see the first is the first letter is big and the second is small. It's like in English when we use big letters when we want to write a name or something else, and when we begin the sentence. Okay, and G, D, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое, and this letter sounds like Y. We will learn it later. Okay. K, K, yeah, it's K. L, M, N, O. You can see I pronounce every letter 2 times because I can make a mistake, or or it can be not clear. Okay. P, R, P, R, S, T, U, F, oh sorry, it's F, H, C, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак, мягкий знак. So these 3 letters are only little because they are not used in the beginning of words, but the letter we use when we want to say Kim Jong-un. It's name of it's Korean leader Kim Jong-un, and is big here, and there is no other no other situations where is big, only small. And твердый знак and мягкий знак are not big at all, and we will talk about it in other videos. You, я, So first of all, we will talk about the vowels. We have 10 vowels in our language, and vowel sounds are only 6. We have only 6. So okay, let's start. 10 letters. A, O, U, I, Okay, these are vowels, and so on. And these letters make the okay. 1 minute. I need to check. Yes, okay. And we have vowels and consonants and 2 other letters, which are not vowels and are not consonants. We have these vowels and these. These vowels are called vowels of the second ray. It means that when we want to write, for example, that means when we write, for example, this is letter B, and it sounds like B. When we I want to write 1 minute, please. When we write B and after that we write A, we get ba. B is hard, and if we write B and after the B we write ya, it's bya. It's b is soft, so we have ba with a and bya with ya, with letter ya. So okay, we have ba, bo, bu, b, b, and bya, byo, bu, bi, be. And why do we write ya, and why do we call this letter ya? Because when it is on the beginning of the word, and in other situations, when it goes after these 2 letters, and when it is in the beginning of words, it's ya, yo, you, I, ye. So, for example, we have a word яблоко. It's apple. I will write. Oh no. We have some problems. Okay. Яблоко. Яблоко. And ya is at the beginning of the word, and because of it, it is not a. For example, in the бя, but it's я. Яблоко. Яблоко. Yes. Okay. And e we don't call ye. For example, we have the word история, and it means history, and the letter e stands at the beginning, and it sounds like история. And when it stands after b, for example, it sounds like b. B is soft, and b is soft, and it becomes b. Oh, that's complicated Russian. Okay. These vowels, and the first rule is that we have letters of the second ray, and they make the consonant that is before this letter. One consonant becomes soft, and we have vowels of the first ray. They don't do this with consonant. For example, we have b and ba, v, va, or vo. So the consonant is hard. We call it hard and soft consonants. But we have some consonants that don't become soft or hard. I will tell about it later, okay? When I will explain the consonants. Okay. So also we have one more rule. It's that in Russian language we have oh, I don't know how to call it. How to call it? Stress. It is called stress. For example, in Japanese language, we don't have stress, I think. Yes, and in Russian we do have stress. For example, and stress. If you use stress, not right stress in the word, it can harm to the meaning of the word. For example, example. I need an example. I cannot remember the example. Sorry. but it harms to the meaning of the words in not all the cases. But if you will see some words with not correct stress, people might understand you, I think. Oh yeah, okay. Замок and замок. Замок is castle where live some lords or kings, and замок is lock. It's something we can use when we close the door. Okay. Yes. So we have stress in Russian language, and also we have some rules when we have, for example, o, and it doesn't sound like o, it sounds like a. For example, and it is when the stress is not on the letter o. Замок. For example, we have the word замок, and we don't say замок. We say замок. The letter o sounds like замок, like a. It sounds like a, замок. We say замок, and if we say замок, it is not correct. Замок and замок. I need замок, not замок. Замок. Yeah, what? So it is замок. Really, замок. And the last one was замок. Okay. So this situation is for letter O and yeah. So, and also if we have the letter yo in the word, the stress is on the letter yo. So we have the word ежик, it's a hedgehog. Ежик, and the stress is in the letter yo. Ёлка, all the words with the letter yo have stress on the letter yo. We have a very small amount of words where we have two yo. For example, трехпленочный. We have трехпленочный, two yo. And we have two stress, maybe трехпленочный. No, one stress, but it is very exotic situation. Yeah. Sorry, my English is not very good. It's Russian language is quite complicated. Yes. Okay, vowels. We have problems with o and ye when we have the word for example, let me think. Which words? when okay. Okay, we have this situation with yeah and or. So we have the words with which we can check is there or are when we write it, and if it is yeah e when we write the word. For example, we have the word посолить, and we say посолить, and we don't know what to write, посолить or посолить. So it means to put some salt in the dish, посолить, and we don't know посолить or посолить, and then we remember then that we have the word соль. It's salt, just salt, and in the word соль we write o because we can hear o, соль, o, and because of this we write посолить. It's root of the word soul. Yeah, and because of that we write o. And the same situation with yeah and e. Sometimes we when the stress is not the letter yeah, we pronounce it like e. For example these words are complicated. Okay. For example, зеленый. It's green. Зеленый. Ой. Зеленый. Sorry. Okay, just зеленый. And we don't know how to write зеленый or зеленый. So we have words zелень. It's зелень. It's like grass, but not grass. It's like grass, and but it's a grass that people can eat and put into salad or into soup. Yeah, this is зелень. Yes. Okay. Зелень, yes. And this is the situation. Maybe I should make separated the video about this rule. And also we have some other rules when we some rules of Russian language are complicated both for foreigners and for Russian people too. Some people, a lot of Russian people make mistakes while writing. Yes, with commas and etc. And with some rules, yeah. And my father has a lot of mistakes with this, so maybe it is complicated, but it's okay if you make a mistake. Okay, let's to sum up Okay, let's make a short summary. We have alphabet, 33 letters. We have vowels, consonants, and two other letters. They are with asterisk. I'll make a lesson later about these words and these letters. We have 10 vowels, 10 letters of vowels. A, O, U, E, Ya, Yo, Yu, I, Ye. And we have these letters are vowels of the first ray, and these are of the second ray. These letters in a great amount of situations make the consonant that stays before it becomes soft, and I think we will I'll say about it when I'll talk about the consonants for the second time, so you will be able to learn this rule again if you don't understand it now. Okay. Also, we have stress in Russian language, and if you use not right stress, it can lead to misunderstand. Yeah. And it harms to the meaning. And it's not correct. No, like in English, yeah. And also we have some rules when the letters are not pronounced like in the stressed form. They are not pronounced in this. Okay, so it's the first lesson. Please ask some questions. Okay, I'll answer with I'll be glad. That would be great. Okay. Sorry if something was complicated. Yeah. And in the other videos, I'll talk about consonants and these two letters, and then we will learn how to say hello and goodbye. Okay. In this video I will say goodbye in English. Okay, goodbye. See you later. I was very glad.